Peace everybody, welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an so we can get our day off to the right start. Today we're looking at chapter 10, verse number 57. God says to us in the Qur'an, Ya ayyuhan nasu, O mankind. Okay, so this verse is for all mankind. Qad ja'atkum, verily it has come to you. So something has come to us. Maw'idhatun, an instruction, some advice, some admonitions. Okay? Mir rabbikum, from your Lord. Okay, so it's come from Rabbikum, the Lord, the one who has created us and nourishes us. Okay? So what has come to us? What instructions have come to us from our Lord? It is these revelations. Okay? Right. So what is God telling us about these instructions and these revelations? Washifa'un, and a cure. What is this a cure for? Lima fi sudur, what is in your hearts, or what is in your breasts rather. And in our breast is our heart. So what God is telling us is that if our hearts are diseased, His revelations are a cure. And you think about what's happening in this world today. Mankind generally, our hearts are diseased. You think about the way this world is currently run off the back of selfish desires. You think about the conflicts which are occurring in this world, the wars. You think about the discrimination which is prevalent around the world. You think about the desires to accumulate resources and wealth for one's own benefit only. Our hearts are diseased. Allah saying the cure has come. Wahudan. So we might say, well, guide us then to this cure. Wahudan. Well, God is saying, well, I've guided you. And guidance, this Quran is guidance. His revelations are guidance. Warahmatun. And this is a mercy from God. Rahmatun lil mu'mineen. Well, here is a criteria, a condition for having that cure applied to our hearts. We have to be mu'min. It is for mu'mineen, this cure. So then the question for us is, what does mu'min mean? And of course, God defines that term and describes it fully in the Quran itself. And that's something which we will study at some other point in time, inshallah. Have a good day.